the names that I will be using, my sheet brain, and my dissection kit. Here's a view of the table. To begin, I will be showing the cerebrum. It holds all of the temporal and other lobes of the brain. We have the left hemisphere, we have the right hemisphere, we have the left and the right frontal lobe, the left parietal lobe, the right parietal lobe, the left temporal lobe, which is down here, the right temporal lobe, which is down here, and the left and the right occipital lobes. We have the spinal cord, which is right here, the cerebellum, the medulla oblongata, which is on the bottom right in here. We have the medulla oblongata is like right here. We have the pons, which is right in the same area. The olfactory bulbs, which are up here. The olfactory tracts, which are down here. We have the optic chiasm, which is in this area right here. The pituitary gland, which is right in here. And the optic tract, which is also right in here. Gonna be making a cut straight down. You can see the cerebellum better, has the branches inside. The spinal cord, the medulla oblongata in this area right here, pons, which is right here, and the optic chiasm, which is again right here, and pituitary gland, which is right under it. I think that's it.